Hello, and welcome to this MeetingBooster video tutorial. In this section, we're going to cover the MeetingBooster interface, introducing you to the Meetings tab, the Task Management tab, the Dashboards tab, and the Admin section. When you first log into MeetingBooster, the default page is the Meetings page, where I can review all the meetings that I've either organized or have been invited to attend. The ribbon across the top of the page allows me to navigate between the different sections of MeetingBooster, with a toolbar down the left-hand side for each individual section. Within my Meetings section, I can review all of my upcoming accepted meetings, pending meetings and declined meetings, as well as scheduling new meetings. Here I can also review all of my past meeting minutes in one location. I can review my meeting series, as well as provide feedback from meetings that I've previously attended. A filter option allows you to drill down on specific meeting information through keyword search, as well as being able to search through a different date range. By selecting the Tasks tab, I can review all tasks that I've created or have been assigned to me during a meeting. As a default, MeetingBooster will first display my tasks that have been assigned to me during a meeting. I can review the legend of the task, showing me open, complete, and overdue tasks, and the full list of tasks beneath, which I can open and review. Along the left-hand side, I can review any tasks that have been created by me during a meeting to see a visual update of the progress of those tasks. I can review all tasks that have been assigned in the meetings that I attend, as well as review specific projects, tasks that have been allocated to project titles within my organization. The system also allows me to create new tasks, as well as exporting tasks onto a dedicated PDF, as well as consolidated Excel spreadsheet. And just as I did in the meeting section, I can filter those tasks via keyword search or by looking at a specific date range. Now, for those of you who have access, the Dashboards tab takes you through to the Analytics section of MeetingBooster, where you can review meeting reports, task reports, feedback reports, and performance reports. The toolbar down the left-hand side can take you to each specific report. To learn more about the Dashboard section, please watch our video tutorial on dashboards. And finally, on to the administration section of MeetingBooster. By selecting the Admin section, I can review company profile information, import users and manage users, as well as reviewing all security roles and system administration, such as configuring email reminders, the calendar integration, and managing meeting attributes.